Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the biggest problems we have in Windows 11 is how the contextual menu is now overcrowded. You just right click everywhere and you look at what it's actually showing, and there's tons of menus, tons of things it wants to tell you. It tells you show even more options if you want to. Wherever you're going to click that contextual menu, there's always too much. And this is something that has been a major problem in the Windows 11 operating system. How do we get this menu to be a lot more focused and a lot less of a big mess? And if you had to that all apps you install actually can add something to the contextual menu. So if you looked at my desktop, you could see here AMD Software Adrenaline Edition. This is an ad from my graphics adapter with the app that's running it. It's it's getting way too complicated, and there's too many little arrows that wants you to send out doing other things. So Microsoft is actually taking this seriously. They now, eventually in the next few weeks and months, we will have a customize button. But first, before that customize button, what's going to happen is that they are going to remake the contextual menus to reflect what people actually want. So what you'll see there is what people do all the time. So this is already going to simplify things. Then there's going to be a customize button. You might be doing something different than others. You might not want certain options that are showing up. You'll be able to customize and say what is going to show up in this list. And this is something cool. So this comes from Windows Central. They actually have seen and have been using the new contextual menus, and they are saying that it is a much better option coming to Windows 11. So this is good news, as things are getting too cluttered. I think people are just going in too many different way spaces and don't realize that, okay, whoa. Think about this standard user. Think about the user that's on his PC and make things simple again. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.